Welcome to the Mathematics 10 minutes class. Today we have to learn more about angles. Listen carefully.
Dear students, look here. It is a smart protractor. Here you can see a 30-degree angle. The angle is formed between two red lines. When we move one line, the angle increase or decrease. Let us see. Now the angle is gradually increasing. If one line moves with respect to other, the angle gradually increases. And here it is a 90 degree. That means right angle. Again, we can move this red line like this. Angle gradually increases. Then it reaches to almost straight line. Yes, it is a 180 degree. A 180 degree is formed here. Here the first line and the second line comes along the same straight line. Then we get a 180 degree angle. Then how can we make a 0 degree angle? Now we again going to decrease this angle for this. Here the angle now decreases, and whenever this line coincides with the other line, then angle will become 0. Look here. Now the both lines are coincides. Now there is no angle, that is 0 angle. This is a basic thing we have to understand. Now look here. We can draw a straight line like this, and another line intersecting perpendicular to the first line. Then here we get two angles. One is this one. This is a right angle, that is 90 degree. And here there is another angle, that is also 90 degree. These two angles are called linear pairs. That is, the two adjacent angles formed on either side of the perpendicular line, that is a linear pair. Another thing is that the sum of these linear pair angles is 180 degree. Here it is sum of this angle. That means this angle is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now dear students, this is a linear pair angle. We know that the sum of the angle will be always 180 degree. Now look here. This is right angle. Two adjacent angles are right angle. 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Again we can change the perpendicular line. Angle changes on either side, but sum will be 180 degree. Here it is 112 degree plus 68 degree, that is also 180 degree. Then again look, 130 degree, and small angle is 50 degree. 130 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Then again this also 50 degree plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means the sum of the any linear pair is 180 degree. here when we move it is to left side, small angle decreases, then big angle increases correspondingly. Look here, it is 20 degree, then big angle is 160 degree, sum is also 180 degree. Now dear students, I am going to draw another linear pair. The straight line, this another line, and suppose this angle is 40 degree, then what could be the value of this angle? How we calculate? We know that total angle of these two angles, sum of these two angles is 180. Then in order to get second angle, you know, we have to subtract 40 from 180. Then we get the answer 140 degree. Like that we can calculate any one of the linear angle if other angle is given. Now look here, this is the definition given in your textbook. If a line is drawn from another line, then sum of the angles on either side is 180 degree. A pair of angles got like this is called a linear pair. Now dear students, again look here, there is a straight line, then there is a slanting line like this, and the line, like this and like this. Okay, then suppose this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. What could be the value of the middle angle? Here there are three angles. We know that total angle is 180 degree, then definitely this angle will be 60 degree. How we calculate? This middle angle here we have to calculate. Then the right step is, we first add the two angles, that is 60 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Then we have to subtract this 120 degree from 180 degree, that is 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Then here there is a straight line, there is one angle and there is another angle. Suppose this is a 90 degree right angle, then what is the value of the, and this is 30 degree, then what is the value of the third angle? Here we can get the value as, first we have to add 90 plus 30, that is 90 plus 30 and subtract from 180. Then we get 180 minus 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. Then answer is 60 degree. Then here also the sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Now there are some works for you. One is, how much is the angle ACE in this figure? Two angles are given, third angle you have to find out. How much is the angle DCE? DCE. Two angles are given, then middle angle you have to find out. Then can you compute angle DCA? One angle is given, other angle you have to find out. And this is another problem. Here the angle DAE you have to find out. This is very simple. 50 degrees given, another angle you have to find out. This is not a linear pair. This is another one. Here the angle ACD, that means the ACD, this angle, and angle BCE, that means BCE, this angle is equal. Then you have to find out the other two angles. From here it is clear that the angle DCB, this angle, is equal to angle ACE, that means this angle. This is a clue for you. Dear students, class is over. Do all the homeworks. If any doubt, please call me 98470604665. Besides this, I will provide a online question paper for you. You can answer through it online and you will get the result at once.